Hi everyone. Chemistry having an immense importance in our life. We cannot think the life without chemistry. Large number of reactions or our life belongs to the chemistry. So we can choose the chemistry as our career. But if you like any subject, it may be botany, zoology, or any subject, then you can make your career in that subject. But if you have don't choice in about any subject, then you can choose the chemistry for our career because it gives better opportunity in job, and you will be having a more chances to get the bread and butter when you choose the chemistry as a subject in our career. Then if you are doing only the basic sciences and you have completed the BSc, then if you don't want to continue your education, then you can do the B.Ed, and you can also get the teachership job, and large number of vacancies in the government also by qualifying various examination. Then you can qualify UPSC, MPSC, or various vacancies are there in Mahajanko. You can also select first department for your career by doing the BSc, in which so chemistry is one of the subject. You can also select the bank sector also, and you can also qualify for the defense job by qualifying the CDS examination. I think after every 6 months there is advertise of the CDS, and you will get the admission in the defense sector also. Various management jobs are there on the basis of BSc. You can also select forensic science for your career, or you can also get the various jobs by joining various companies for the various posts. And as generally after completion of the BSc you will get the job as a chemist. Then if we want to continue the education after the BSc, then you can also do MSc by direct admission on the basis of merit or on the basis of marks which we get on the mark sheet. Or you can also do the MSc in various renowned IITs by qualifying IIT JAM, and you can also do the MSc in IISc Bangalore by qualifying IIT JAM, and various renowned universities are there, and they having their own entrance examination. You can qualify that entrance examination, and you will get the admission in that renowned university for MSc. These are the few samples of the universities which are given here, and you can also do MSc or integrated PhD, integrated MSc and PhD in TIFR, Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. Tata Institute of Fundamental Research having their own entrance examination every year. In this year TIFR GS 2020 is there. Then you can also qualify this examination. You will get the admission in the Tata Institute of the Fundamental Research, or you can do MBA in various IIMs or B school by qualifying CAT examination, or you can also do MS in the in abroad by qualifying GRE. You have to also qualify some another examination also, TOEFL or other examination. Then you can also qualify, you can also get the admission on the basis of GATE also. You can also do the MCA after completion of the BSc. Then if you qualify the MSc, or if you completed your MSc, then and if you don't want to continue the education, then you can get the job on the basis of the chemistry in MSc chemistry. Then in the private sector, in the various companies, and for the various posts, the most general post which we will get on the basis of MSc, that is the chemist. Then you can also get the job. You can also get the job in pharmaceutical sector also, or you can also enter in the bank sector, or various government jobs are there on the basis of MSc chemistry. And the large number of vacancies are there in the defense sector. And you can also you can also prepare for the net set in after MSc or while doing the MSc. If you qualify the net or set or JRF, you can do the PhD. When you qualify the JRF, you will get the scholarship for the PhD, and you can easily complete your PhD by using this JRF. Or if you don't want to do the PhD, then you can also get the job on the basis of the scores of the NET or SET or JRF. Yeah, these are the various posts in which you can be qualified for this post on the basis of NET, SET or GATE or JRF. And you can also qualify as a scientist for IISc or NEET or DRDO. And when you get the job as a lecturer, then you will be the unique feature. You will be the unique for the in the your teaching style. And you will be you will be a creative while conveying the information. And you are associated with the young generation, so you will get the satisfaction when you get the job as a lecturer. Then you can also get the job as a technical or supportive staff also. Then a large numbers of vacancies are there in the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, on the basis of the rank of NET or SET examination. Then you can these are the list of organization of DRDO, in which large number of vacancies are there, which gives with this organization give job on the basis of score and the ranking of NET or SET. These are the various organizations. In this organization, you will get the job on the basis of the NET or SET or JRF score. Then large number of vacancies are there in the government sector, or PSU jobs are there, and these are the various institutes in which you will get the job. You will get the renowned universities, ISRO, then in or IGCR or TIFR. These are the renowned university in which you will get the job on the basis of the NET or SET examination. Then this is the flow chart. If you completed the BSc and if you don't interest in the chemistry, then you can go to the bank sector, or you can do the MBA, or you can prefer the government job. Then if you have the interest in the chemistry, and if you want to stop but you have the interest in chemistry, still you want to stop the education, then you can get the private sector job, or you can go in the education sector as a teacher. But if you have interest in the chemistry and you have to continue the education, then you can do the MSc, you can do the MS, or you can continue the MS or MSc by doing the PhD, or by qualifying the NET SET examination. On this basis, NET SET or on JRF, and you can get the various job in the various sector. So love chemistry and live with chemistry. These are the references. Then choose chemistry as our career. If you miss opportunity, then it is more expensive. With this note, I will like to thank you all.